another new vlog of Next Destination by Paul Disha. Today's vlog is going to be in English because many of our viewers has requested us to make vlogs in English. And also today we are here in a restaurant which has been also suggested by one of our viewer. Actually she gave few suggestions and this restaurant is one of them. So thank you Polomi for your valuable suggestion. So we are here in Tamarind in Shaurad Ghosh Road, Kolkata, and today we are going to cover South Indian delicacies, not only veg but also non-veg. So let's see what is there inside. Let's go inside. Tamarind Restaurant is the pioneer of specialty South Indian food that goes beyond typical vegetarian South Indian dishes that we know and we have tasted. It has been serving authentic South Indian food which includes non-vegetarian South Indian delicacies to the people of Kolkata for more than 20 years. It includes delicacies of the coastal region of South India. They also serve North Indian cuisine and tandoor delicacies. They have newly added recipes from Maharashtra, Gujarat, Goa and Odisha to their menu.
Special recommendation when you come to Tamarind. Robert sir, he is the oldest staff of Tamarind. 20 years, right sir? 20 years in same restaurant. Really bhalo lagse. So I am placing the order to Robert sir. Thank you. As we said, we are in Tamarind today. This is basically cozy soup. This is not the basic color of soup that we get, basically a chicken soup, but this is an offbeat chicken soup. When we will try this, there are lots and lots of chicken chunks in it. I will ask Disha to just focus on the bowl if she can. See the chicken chunks and the soup. It's more like a gravy of chicken gravy with a little bit of spices in it. So let me tell you what is and how is the taste of the soup. Spicy. It's very good. It's for the first time I'm having any chicken soup like this. Chicken soup like in whenever we have visited any Chinese restaurant, we have ordered for chicken soup. That here chicken soup with sweet corns and all. That taste and this taste is like whole and south. This is much spicy kind of a soup with lots of chicken chunks in it, and when you will have it, you will have this spicy. It's nice. Cozy soup, cozy chicken soup. It's like a soup. It's a Konkan based chicken soup. It's a southern or coastal based chicken soup. It's not like a basic Chinese chicken soup. It's some masalas are there, lots of like I can smell the like flavors of garam masalas coming out from it. I can see the chicken chunks, some prominent chicken, small chicken chunks in it, and the taste is, it's quite spicy. It's not like a basic Chinese soup. We are having today a southern delicacy, a Konkan delicacy, that is Konkan chicken soup. And this is, I will recommend this if you come down here. Tomato chutney with grilled tawa fish. It's a grilled based item. Again, lots of spices bursting in the mouth. It's again different. Yes, it's spicy. It's not highly spicy, but it's spicy. Not recommended for babies because of they can
High
feel,
level of spices
high level of
in it.
spices. But this is how this dish is made. This dish should be made. It's perfect. Tawa fish from Tamarind. This is Kurg chicken, another coastal South Indian delicacy, non-veg delicacy. This chicken is tender. Pieces are also we have been given 5 pieces. Tender chicken. Lots of coriander, garnished with lots of coriander, onion, and coconut. Coconut to go with. Coconut is a basic, like they use South Indian delicacies, whatever veg or in non-veg. Coconut is a must. So it's a good.
It's a basic ingredient.
It's a good one.
Yeah.
It's a basic ingredient.
Right.
They use. It's a good one. Not bad. It's again a offbeat dish. This is kurg chicken which we are having, and see, I will ask Disha to highlight this. This is coriander gravy cooked inside.
Coriander stuff.
Coriander stuffing sort of,
Yeah.
which is bringing a burst, coriander burst in our mouth. This is also an offbeat food of Konkan region. Lovely. Rice with mutton uppukari. The dish name is mutton uppukari. Again, I can smell again the spices smell coming into my mouth, into my nostrils, and now it will burst into my mouth. Lots and lots of this patta. What we say?
Curry patta.
Curry patta. Lots and lots of curry patta and the flavor of south. As said, basic. You can see the flavors that is coming in. It's going down from the top. Lots and lots of spices. That's the best part of South Indian delicacies, the South Indian non-veg delicacies basically. And the mutton is, I'll show you the mutton. Bengali style. Come into the Bengali style of having food. Very tender mutton. There are 4 big chunks like this. 2 people can easily have this, and flavors are wonderful. Offbeat again. We are having a mutton curry, but it's having a flavor of like coastal mutton curry flavor. It's not Bengali mutton curry or whatever North Indian mutton curry. It's a coastal flavor, full of spices and full of colors and full of taste. This is appam. What do you say? Like rice pancake. Good to go with mutton uppukari. It's basically made of a batter which is used in basically in dosas or in pancakes, like veg pancakes, which we call uttapam. So we have it with this gravy. See the gravy, the flavors. Why the flavors are coming? Lots and lots of crushed South Indian spices have been used. Nice. So you can have this dish with appam also, with rice and appam. You can have this mutton uppukari. It's really uppukari.
মিথ্যা কথা বলে স্যার মিথ্যা কথা বলি আমাদের
Appam with mutton upikari. Konkan delicacy. Tamarind with next destination by Paul Bishop. Thank you. This is one of my favorite dessert which is available over here, so that's why I have ordered for it. It's hot gulab jamun with some cold bit of ice cream. So it's not any South Indian delicacy or any Konkan delicacy. It's a basic dessert which I like the most, like with hot gulab jamun and melting. Let's do this. This is hot gulab jamun dipped into some cool ice cream, vanilla ice cream, and it's having a bite. Thank you.
Thank you for watching our vlog. See you all in our next destination. Till then, stay well and stay connected.